Okay, I'd like to take a look at how to draw the M6 by 1.5 flathead machine screw for the vise. Okay, it's going to look something like this when we're finished. Okay, here are the dimensions. Dimensions are also on the detail drawing for the vise. The only one that is not there, okay, is the height of this head over here, which is 3. Okay. So that will make it a little easier for us to do this. We have a slot in here that's 2 millimeters wide and it's 1.9 deep. Okay, and this is a 90-degree angle, which makes that, of course, a 45. And we do have a major diameter 6, and we have a pitch of 1.5. Now, since it is a pitch of 1.5, we can use the same triangle that we used for our screw rod, okay, because it is the same pitch. The difference is the diameter. Alright, so let's go into AutoCAD and see what we've got. I've already started this. I've got my metric template. I made sure that I'm on first angle projection. I turned off the perspective of 0 and I draw this triangle. Okay, it's the same as the one we drew on the last one. Okay, it's 1.5 and the top, lop off the top, then mirror it, make the radius. So now we're going to put the helix. So I'm going to go to draw and helix. I'm going to pick a spot. Okay, again, make sure that your F8 is on so you have a nice straight line here. Okay, ask me for the radius or diameter. Okay, the radius is 3 since the diameter is 6, so I'll hit 3. Whoops, I hit R. Hit 3. Okay, the top radius is the same thing. Okay, the turn height, again, is the pitch, which is 1.5. Okay, and the height is 16 minus 3, or 13. Okay, let's go take a look at our southeast isometric view. Okay, and we should have a pretty good representation. What I forgot to do, make a region out of this triangle. I'm then taking, I'm going to move this over to here. I'm going to draw a line again from the center point here straight down. Okay, I'm going to do a 3D rotate. Okay, the green one that way, then the blue one that way. I'm going to take and I'm going to move it from the midpoint to the end of there. Oops, I'm going to take and move it from the midpoint to there. Okay, I'm now going to sweep these. Pick the triangle, pick the helix. Okay, there is that. Now I'm going to draw the body of our thread here, or our screw. So I'm going to start with the bottom, and that is 6 millimeters. Okay, I'm going to extrude that up, and that is going to go up 13. Okay, now I'm going to draw, I'm going to go again, I'm going to go to hidden, it's a little easier to see. I'm going to draw this circle here. Okay, and that is 6. Okay, now I'm going to extrude that. Okay, now I'm going to make a taper angle on here. Okay, see how it becomes tapered now. It's going the wrong way, so I'm going to do negative 45. Okay, and then I'm going to pull it up this way, and that distance should be 3. Okay, so there is the top of our head. Okay, I'm now going to move my helix. Okay, I'm going to go to X-ray. Again, makes it easier to pick this. So I'm going to move this guy from that endpoint, okay, to the center of this one. Okay, I'm going to go up here to solid. I'm going to fillet this edge right here. Okay, the radius is 1. Fillet this edge right here. Hit enter. Okay, now I'm going to subtract them. So I'm going to go up to subtract. Okay, I'm going to pick the cylinder. Hit enter. Pick the threads. Hit enter. Okay, and there is my threads. Okay, if I take a look at the right view and then go to realistic, looking pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to go back to hidden, and I'm going to go to my southeast isometric view again, and I'm going to put that slot in the top. Okay, now the slot, okay, I'm going to make a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to put it like here. Now that slot is going to go farther than all the way across the top, so that top should be around 12. So I'm going to do and I'm going to make that like 17. Okay, so let's over it. I'm going to do tab, and then the width of that is 1.6, and hit enter there. Okay, now I'm going to take and I'm going to move that to the top of here. So I'm going to pick move. I'm going to pick that. Now for the center point, I'm going to right click, hold my shift, right click, and I'm going to pick geometric center, which will pick the center of that rectangle. Okay, I'm going to put it on the center of here. Okay, I'm now going to extrude that. Okay, and that is going to be 1.9. I'll then take and I'll subtract those together, that one and that one. Now I have my slot. Okay, I still need to put everything together, delete any extra lines. Okay, and there is our screw.